In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix the Fortnite error code LS0013. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin by right-clicking on your Windows button right here and click on Run. From there, a window will open up and you're going to type %local app data %. Once you click that, it should open here and you're going to find Epic Games Launcher, Saved, and then this web cache folder, you're going to right click and delete. Now, it can't delete right now due to Fortnite being open, so I'm just going to close this right now, just so that you guys can see what happens. Delete. And then once it actually is able to delete, you are going to end up opening Epic Games Launcher, but you're going to right click it from here and click on Run as Administrator. Once you run it as the administrator, you can then launch Fortnite and the error code should be fixed. And that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.